Hey, it's like deja vu.
It's pouring rain.
Woo.
So.
Alright, we're gonna go inside and eat. So that was an adventure. We left the park, pouring rain, and pouring rain, and we made it here. We had to buy another umbrella, which is fine because the one I have.
Like the back is wet and it's like
Here's the deal. If you wear a poncho and it's raining, please be aware of where you're walking. That'd be a kind of nice. I'm not trying to be negative. It's just
It is hard walking because two people on an umbrella and like people walking in ponchos and like there's a line with the family. It's just like we're trying to get there too. So it's a little difficult.
right. So
we're trying to take a look around. We're in the Florida room.
we are. And so they have Pride Month Hard Rock Cafe stuff. Oh, that's cool. It's
A shirt, a hoodie.
no, but what's that movie? That Queen guy, Freddie Mercury stance.
Oh yeah.
That's cool.
And then they have this drink, which looks good.
That's cool. Well, let me show you the menu, the drink menu, and then I'll show you the food menu. Oh, they also have breakfast here. Goes from 8:30 to 11. So I'm gonna try to keep talking so that way I don't get copyright. YouTube's like really tightening up on their copyright stuff. So signature cocktails, you got Hurricane, Classic Caribbean Mojito, Bahama Mama, Banana Berry Colada, Big Blue Na, sure, Passion Fruit Mai Tai, which we know Mai Tais aren't good. Rock House Rum Punch.
They have wine and beer too.
Southern Rock, Rockin' Fresh Rita, Tropical Margarita, Electrical Blues, Rhythm and Rose Muley or Mule? Who knows? Comment below. Blackberry Sparkling Sangria, Purple Haze Ultimate Long Island Iced Tea, the wine list.
I don't know if the store's open or not. Is it?
Yeah, it was.
Okay.
And that milkshake looks really good.
I was looking at the desserts and that's...
Oh, it's over here though.
So that's cool. They have a lot of stuff. Like I see Joey Fatone, I see Tom Petty, Matchbox 20. So we're gonna see if we can take a look around and like show you guys the different stuff.
Absolutely. All right.
Okay, here's the appetizers that they have. Oh, there's a shadow. It's a little pricey. And then this is the jumbo combo that it comes with. And then steak burgers. Oh my gosh, it's hard to see it. I'm gonna do this a little bit fast, so if you guys need to pause it, because she's gonna come back and take the order, but at least you guys know what's here. You showed the desserts, huh? Okay, so we're waiting for our food. So I'm just going to show you guys a few things. It's in the Florida room. Pat Boone. Creed. I remember them. Jim Morrison. Brian got the half rack of ribs. Oh, here's mine. Hi.
Careful, that metal skillet is going to be really hot, okay?
Thanks.
Enjoy it all.
And here's mine. Oh fajitas.
Hey, let's get a close up. Just kidding. Someone's phone just went off. But the only bad portion size are low lacking.
We get a lot of sides.
And look at this rack. And it is thumbs up.
Try it.
That's a good sign. When it falls off like that.
Good.
Good pig. Good pig. Yum. So just checking in. It's a good thing we're not like meeting about something serious because we haven't said a word since we got our food.
I've been concentrating so hard on just getting the dang onions and stuff.
And it's also pretty dang on good food. Checking in again. Amber's put a dent. No more meat on her plate. And you know that feeling when you have to clean up a room or something. You walk in, it's so overwhelming, like you don't know where to start, or like you never like you haven't even started, but you've been working on it. That's how this feels. It is horrible. Okay, Amber, let's talk about your food.
It was really good. I didn't think it was gonna be like enough, but I like all the sides. You get like lettuce, pico de gallo, cheese, guacamole, and sour cream. So like all that together, it's a lot. Let's talk about yours that you're trying to cover up.
Superb. Wow.
Not left.
I left 4 bones.
Yeah, a little bit.
So, but
Bad manners again. Do we have to go to 50 center? But we're gonna try to show you guys around.
I will say that at least the ribs that I got today, they had the burnt ends, which is so good. So definitely recommend this place.
Well, of course, it's an amazing place. I really like Planet Hollywood, but I think they've gone downhill, and I think Hard Rock's kind of gotten up there. So we'll have to try them out again and see what
It's also
happens.
been 2 years since we've been to Planet Hollywood too.
Right. So we'll try to take a look around and get as much as we can for you guys around here.
So it's also pretty loud, so I don't know how long if you can hear me. So we had a family that was sitting behind us. They actually got up and left because it was too loud. So just keep in mind when you do come here, it is pretty loud to have a conversation with somebody.
Especially if you have a big party
Yeah.
or kids.
Yep.
From Kiss. What's that? Oh. Freddie Mercury share. Sorry I'm going fast, guys, but there's people down the stairs. I'm probably shaking a little bit because I'm cold, because I'm still a little bit wet from the rain. Oh yeah? That's cool. Look, a whole room by ourselves. This is crazy.
You walk in there. Look.
There. Jimi Hendrix. Wanna go in this room? Elvis Presley.
Holy cow, it's cold in here.
I know. This is about Elvis Presley. I guess all of his stuff.
1 billion records.
Jeez. Okay.
Are you cold?
Yeah, I'm shaking it up.
Oh, they have a timeline too.
Yeah.
Along the way. Taekwondo. Ow. In the ghetto. Good song, In the Ghetto.
Oh, that was his wedding suit.
Viva Las Vegas. Marvin Gaye. They even got the Supremes too. Oh, that song from Joyful Noise, Walk Away Renee. That was a good movie. Jackson 5. Look, and they even got a caddy. Wow. That's crazy.
This guitar was used by Johnny Cash to compose songs in the studio. This is $47.50. It's pretty sick.
No, here's the other one. Here. Oh, it's 1971.
Oh, there's this. This shirt is $27.50. This, $14. $26.50. It's so
Oh, and you can all, I don't know if you can get those or what? Those shirts behind.
Oh, this is really all top of that.
I know. That was fast. So, through City walking home.
So dinner was really good.
It was, oh, fantastic.
There's like no one around at all.
I know. This place is like bare.
6 cars. 3, 4, 5, yeah, 6 cars.
So, but it was really good. Food was great.
It wasn't that bad.
Hard Rock.
It was like you would go to Olive Garden or
Yeah.
Red Robin or something like that.
It
It's kind of
was
the same price.
$6.59.
Yeah.
No, 61. I forgot how much I tipped. 61 after tip, and we got our annual pass discount too. So
yeah, I don't know how much it was. Was it 10 or 20? I'm not
I
sure.
think it's 20%. But yeah, it was really good food.
The pizzas were great.
Yeah.
It was cool to look around too.
Yep. So we'll include all that footage. But yeah, we'll see you next time.